We'll have to do our first impressions tonight, maybe, because I'm digging this ship, Rich.
Oh yeah, yeah. It's a nice ship. I'm not sure who would be complaining about it and what they're complaining about, but
I've heard a lot of complaints online, and I have not seen any of them, and it's been really nice.
We're Rich and Robin,
and these are our midlife adventures,
living in and out of our midlife van.
We spent 9 days aboard the Carnival Venezia to the Bahamas from Manhattan. Starting to bundle up again, Rich. What's the weather like out there?
it doesn't look warm.
But we're off the coast of Florida.
New York cold.
It's not New York cold, it's just Florida cold. Rich, what are your first thoughts on the Carnival of Venezia?
It's pretty nice. It's a nice ship.
I like this ship.
Yeah, the layout's nice. It seems to have a good amount of amenities between restaurants, theaters. Yeah, it's a big boat.
Yeah.
But there's a lot, and so it spreads out everybody, so it's not like you're running over people all the time.
Right.
Because there's 40, maybe 4,200 people. I think it was like 4,150 or something like that.
Almost 4,200 people on ship right now, which is almost at capacity.
Yeah.
One of our favorite places on the Carnival Pride was the Serenity area, the adult-only retreat. Our Serenity area on the Pride had a pool. This one has just a couple hot tubs.
Hot tubs, yeah, yeah. So it'd be nice to have a pool, but it's pretty nice.
Yeah. And then also on this Venezia, they had the fitness center, which a lot of them have, and they had a free sauna.
Sauna and whirlpool.
And they didn't have a thermal suites on here, which on the Vista, Carnival Vista, we did the thermal suites, and that was nice. They don't have that here.
Do something, Robin. Stop it. Stop it.
Our favorite place to spend time was on the promenade, deck 5, with lots of different seating areas. Oh, no. And room to walk around the deck to get a little exercise. Lots of options for entertainment. The shows have been better than the Carnival Pride, I feel like. Really good, the singers and the dancers have been better, so that's been fun.
Yeah,
the comedy has been great, as always.
And we got a couple of repeats that we had from the Pride.
We had 2 repeats from the Carnival Pride, but it was new material, so that's good.
Yeah. So it's still kind of the same, but yeah.
So we've had now 5 comedians in 8 days. Yeah.
Move. Get out the way. Get out the way. Get out the way. Move. Get out the way. Get out the way. Get out the way.
Marquis, the cruise director, was entertaining and had his own spin to the activities.
It actually wasn't Conti, remember?
It was a Costa.
This wasn't Costa, not Conti, right?
This ship was built for Costa, and it was a Costa for a couple of years before Carnival bought it.
And then they turned it. So even the outside doesn't have the whale tail.
Nope, they kept it.
It's got the
C for Costa Carnival.
But it is a Carnival, so it's also good for Carnival.
I believe Carnival Corporation has now bought Costa.
Yeah.
And since it's a Carnival, then they made the Guy's Burger, and it's a little different.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, the no bacon.
Right,
which is weird.
But they have a pepperoni burger.
They have a pepperoni pizza burger.
And
they have a smoochie or something like that with a fried mozzarella.
Yeah.
And so
and then they also have the Mexican place that they usually have by the pool area, but this one is a Mexican-Italian fusion.
Yeah, but actually when I went and got tacos from there, they do have the tortilla machine.
So they're making fresh tortillas there also.
Little balls of them, and they put it in, and it makes them fresh. So
they had 2 buffet areas. They had dessert. Lots of options for food.
Yeah. They have a sushi bar. They have a teppanyaki. They have a seafood.
Italian
steak,
restaurant.
And Italian. Those are all up charges.
Yeah.
But then even for free, of course, they have the pizza place. They have Guys. They have
a deli.
They have the Mexican tacos and burritos.
They had a self-serve beer that has not worked.
Network error. Supposedly they've been having a problem trying to minimize the amount of foam. And so
the system
in the
isn't working.
meantime, what they did is they took it offline.
Yeah.
That way you can't, pay for 16 ounces of beer, but only get 4 ounces of beer and 12 ounces of foam.
Right, and Rich liked that feature on the Vista
That's
to be
cool.
able to pour his own beer.
And also, if I just want 3 or 4 ounces of beer, you only pay for 3 or 4 ounces. So now it's not working. So they also have an Italian grill, right?
They have the Italian buffet on C days.
Yeah.
And then they had on C days also the Italian pasta bar in the Marco Polo.
Yeah, so it's a
restaurant.
nice variety of stuff.
The Grand Canal restaurant even had a gondola in the middle of the dining room.
The Lido part.
Yeah, they also have a coffee shop which is paid, and then they had donut and desserts that are paid there.
Yeah, and you get gelato out there, and then you can
donuts.
get shakes.
Yeah.
You can get shakes, and you can get spiked shakes too, So
Yeah.
might have to try one of those. Right?
And then there's another bar right there on the Lido deck. Also on the second floor of the Lido deck on 11, they had bocce ball and Chinese checkers
They had
and
ping pong,
foosball. Yeah, so
Yeah.
lots.
Bocce ball, not Baja bocce ball.
Not Baja bocce ball, but cruise ship bocce ball. Look at that. You got a little bocce court there. And we got ping pong, foosball, some other game over here. And then, of course, on the sports deck, they got basketball, pickleball. They had
have,
dodgeball today.
Mini golf.
Mini golf.
Mini golf.
And the ropes course,
Yes.
as well as pretty big water park. Don't know who's going to be using it this part of the trip. It goes pretty high up there.
So it should be, it's actually, no complaints. And it was a relatively inexpensive cruise for us, right?
We got an interior room.
Yep.
We booked it in August. This is now January, and we paid $309 a person before port fees and taxes and gratuities, and then with a $100 onboard credit. And then we also had some future cruise credit, so that helped us a little bit. And with that future cruise credit, I think we also got another $100 onboard credit.
Yeah.
So yeah, we really lucked out with our interior room. I liked it. The bathroom is a hair smaller. I feel less counter space-ish.
Yeah, there is less counter space all
but
around.
we brought our hanging
hanging
organizer, and that works perfect.
Hanging out in the room
It's fine.
hasn't been a problem.
No.
I mean, it's not like we're not claustrophobic people, but it's been nice and comfortable.
And we always just turn on the cam of the bridge
see how it is
when we
outside.
want to see the outside view.
Yeah, we don't need a balcony.
No. Looking at this backdrop above our bed just makes me want to go back to Venice. Elevators.
So I guess the new wave of ships have these new screens instead of like up or down arrows. So you just touch it and you say, okay, I want to go to deck 15. What happens is it directs you to which one. And then if you're going to have more than one person in, you have to then do the same thing. And then that way they know it's just going to be 2 people.
15.
Looks pretty windy out there. I'll race you to deck 8. You take the stairs. I'm going to take the elevator. Ready,
Okay.
set, go.
8. Car T.
Still waiting. Still waiting. Still waiting. There it is. Deck 15 only has 2 elevators, so it takes a little longer for an elevator to arrive. I'm on 15, going to 8.
Deck 8. Door opening.
Been here forever.
You didn't set a timer?
No.
How long have you been here?
I went back to the room, got another beer.
Stop it. Stop
Came
it.
back and waited for you in the hallway.
It took forever for the elevator to get there because it was the 15th floor. Forever. We cruised in January, and even though it was cool outside from Manhattan down to the Bahamas, we enjoyed spending some of our time outside. With the cold weather, it was nice to have a Lido deck with a covered roof that can be closed during the bad weather. The roof was opened once we got down to Bahamas so you can enjoy some of the weather, but once we headed back to Manhattan, the roof was closed once again. We are all packed up, ready to go. We are back in
New York City.
at the Manhattan cruise port terminal. You see the sun rising right there between the buildings.
That's a view out of our balcony window. Or no, it's the TV.
And we sent down 2 bags last night. We got our backpacks in a little bag. And we made a reservation at the restaurant for breakfast.
Yeah, we're waiting for our table, and we are then ready to get off the ship.
Yeah.
Because
Had
they're
a-
trying to push us off the ship.
Had a great time on the Carnival Venezia for
Venezia
9
was
days.
a really good
Yeah.
ship. Yes.
Great entertainment, great food,
Great, yep.
great activities,
You cannot be
and
bored.
we had great weather.
We actually did.
Even
really
though
good. Right
I
now it's
see-
35.
I see a lot of white stuff out there.
Yeah.
But anyways, we had a great time. Thanks for coming along.
Yep.
Rich, it's time to get off. And it's pretty cold out there.
I want to stay on, Robin.
Too bad you don't have a jacket. And you're wearing shorts, buddy. Buddy.